Morning, guys. So we're here at Stellar Aviation. My buddy Captain Ron is gonna take us for a flight. We got G-Man Plays over here. We got my pops over here. G-Man Plays YouTube. G-Man Plays. There'll be another video on that channel as well of the flight, more than likely. But we're waiting on Captain Ron. Looks like he's doing some pre-flight checks and all that stuff. But here we are, chilling. Lantana Airport, Stellar Aviation Terminal. Yep. There we go.
Wow. For sale. Right
for
here.
Sale, yeah.
Let's get a sign on the window.
There's Captain Ron, guys. He's right there. Captain Ron, how you doing, sir?
Hey.
Good morning, my friend. How are you, man?
I'm doing fine.
Nice seeing you, buddy. It's my brother Gerard.
Gerard.
This is my dad, Oscar.
How are you, sir?
Pleasure, young man.
Thank you.
So how you guys are doing? And then,
That's right.
VIP in the captain seat.
Right,
All right,
we
right
made it
here.
over.
All right. Captain Ron.
The next thing is I have a log I need you guys to sign.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Let me see what else. Cool. Okay, that's great. So come on, let's take a walk up across the ramp. Let's do a ramp inspection.
All right.
You guys ever had the opportunity to, visit an airport? Still with airplanes.
Yeah.
Even though they're not moving now.
Yeah.
Get on the side.
And you guys, if you get the camera, you'll see a red beacon. You see a red beacon, a red flashing light on any airplane. The engine's about to start, or the engine is already started. Now, like this guy right here, this is 182. He got his strobe on, but his engine is running. So we're gonna make a nice ride, turn up about in the yellow.
Oh, guys, look at all these planes, guys.
It's all good.
We're taking off. Oh boy, that's cool. Can't really hear what Captain Ron's saying. It's loud out here, but you know, he's giving Dad the rundown right now, and yeah, man, we'll be in the plane soon.
The red, white, and blue little girl here, that's her.
Oh yeah.
She's a 1976.
Wow.
72.
Beautiful.
Thank you. There was only 3 paint schemes of this airplane painted in 1976.
1976. What's it called? The plane?
It was the Bicentennial. In celebration of 1776.
Wow.
So I got one ship. I know where the other 2 are.
So there's only 3 in the world.
There's only 3.
Oh wow.
So this is her. She loves to fly.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Okay. Now that one. Okay. Now push it to the blue.
The light's gonna turn on.
Spirit of 76. Pull it. Come on. Oh.
Look at the tire. Come on, man.
Come on.
Look at the tire.
You got that.
Look at the one.
Hey.
Look at the one.
Look at the tires.
Okay, good.
Tires looking
I don't
good.
see any black spots. I don't
Nope.
see everything looks good.
All right.
You've done the outside inspection, so we know she's nothing's gonna fall off. Because you can't pull up over to a cloud up there.
Yeah.
Let me fix this place.
Let me turn the window outside. Wait a
Put the
minute.
brakes on. Let me get out and fix that.
Just hover real quick. One spot.
Yeah, fix that. All right. Now, Joe, what this is right? You sit behind me.
Yep.
You sit behind your grandfather.
Father. Yeah. Both of us. Yeah.
Hey.
Hey, he's not a grandpa yet. Wait a second. Hey.
That's it? All right. All right, listen here. Now, So both you guys are tall, so nobody will need a pillow.
No, no pillow. So Gerard, you go first then?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Feet over there.
Yeah. Man. It's in good shape for being from 1976.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see here.
Gerard. Go.
Gerard,
Oh, Gerard, all right, buddy.
Yeah.
Just slide in the back.
get on in. here we are at another airport. That was a little scary, being in the back of a little plane, but it was fun. A little hot, as you can tell. Woo. But we had to fly to another, it was about a 45-minute flight, he said, somewhere out in west, north or west Palm. But because we got to get some fuel here, he said it's cheaper here. Captain Ron said that. Take his word for it. But here we are. Dad flew a little bit on the flight, and Captain Ron took over, and we made it, boy.